let's unpack this cool tech all summer kit from our friends at TechLife. So ang ganda nitong bag guys, malaki siya and may zipper, perfect for your summer getaways. Okay, first item we have this plastic carrying pouch, very useful. Next we have this beach towel, may TechLife branding pa. Next, we have the TechLife Smartwatch P1. So I'll do a separate unboxing for this and let's explore the features together. And finally, we have this. This is the TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. And we're going to unbox this. Alright, so that's the complete cool tech all summer kit from our friends at TechLife. And now let's proceed with the unboxing of the TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. So guys, this tablet is now officially available here in the Philippines. Ang official SRP nito ay 9,999 pesos only. Pero merong exclusive early bird offers like discounts and freebies that you can take advantage of. Just visit techpinas.com to know more. As you can see, ang packaging nitong TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch ay plain white box with the image of the product printed on the cover. Okay, so ito na siya guys. Let's take a closer look at this tablet later. For now, let's just finish the unboxing. Okay. This is the user manual and meron na rin itong nakakabit na warranty card. Next, this is the pin for ejecting the SIM card tray kasi LTE model tong tablet natin. Ito yung ating USB Type-C charging cable and this is the travel charger. Ayan, so yun na yung lahat ng nasa box guys. Ayan, ayusin lang natin. Okay, and ngayon, let's check out the design of the TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. As you can see, very sleek and polished ang design and build nitong TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. Yung shell niya is made of zinc alloy. Kaya very premium ang look and feel ng tablet na to kahit na less than 10,000 lang ang presyo niya. Yan, tanggalin lang natin tong sticker sa likod para mas ma-appreciate natin yung design. There. And now I think we're ready to turn on the TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. So let's set it up. While we're doing that, let me talk about one of my favorite features ng tablet na to, and that is the large 12-inch 2K display. Kita nyo naman guys, napakanipis lang ng bezels ng screen ng tablet na to on all sides. Kaya naman pagdating sa watching videos, viewing photos, reading websites, or even just opening documents for school or work, talagang panalong-panalo ang viewing experience on the TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. Dahil 2K ang display na to, it also supports 2160p resolution kapag nanonood kayo ng video sa YouTube. So if you love watching vlogs or movies on that platform, mas may enjoy nyo yan sa TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. Now, we're done with the initial setup and andito na tayo sa user interface. And kita nyo naman, ang ganda ng colors ng display. And also, very responsive din ang touchscreen. Check natin yung key specs niya dito guys. So, naka Android 15 na to. Meron siyang MediaTek Helio G91 processor, 8 gigs plus 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of internal storage. Meron pang micro SD card slot supporting up to 1 terabyte. Ang battery nito malaki rin guys. 8,000 mAh ang capacity niya. Yung camera nito sa likod na pinakita ko kanina, 13 megapixels ang resolution nun. And meron din tong 8 megapixel selfie camera dito sa harap. And finally, this tablet also has quad stereo speakers kaya napakaganda talaga for watching YouTube videos. And there you have it guys, that's my quick unboxing and initial setup of the all-new TechLife Pad Plus 12-inch. So stay tuned for more features about this tablet on Tech Pinas. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you!